Okay, so here we go. Something you can say while pooping in the woods and in response to a nude. Fuck, I hope no one saw that. Okay. Oh,
Nice.
Nice. Classic.
okay, now that shit is long.
That's good.
That's good. Whoa, tits! Info, tits are a type of bird.
Don't look at me like that.
Did you write that?
Info!
Tits are also a type of bird.
That's
So
true,
you
it's
could
true,
be
they're little
shitting in the woods
guys.
and go, oh, tits.
Oh my
Info, tits are a type of bird.
Info.
Okay, now that shit is long. Is the
That
best
shit is
one.
long. It's just too
Yeah, Raj,
good.
you're killing it.